English and English to Spanish to the best of your ability?
I do.
All right, you may lower your hand. Uh, uh, Ms. Cox, you've had an opportunity to speak with Ms. Martinez Gambino,
Yes, we did.
and obviously we know that there's a number of Spanish dialects. Did you have any concerns or problems communicating with Ms. Gambino?
No, we understood each other, Your Honor.
Very well, then this court will find that you can interpret Spanish to English and English to Spanish today for this matter. Would you have Ms. Martinez Gambino raise her right hand and state her full name?
Señora Martínez Gambino, levante la mano derecha y también diga su nombre completo en voz alta.
Okay. Mi nombre es Leticia Martínez Gambino.
My name is Leticia Martínez Gambino.
Yeah, you may. Do you swear or affirm to tell the complete truth?
¿Usted jura o afirma de decir toda la verdad? Yes.
You may lower your hand.
Puede bajar la mano.
Miss Leticia Martinez Gambino, you have ticket number SP 14978-921.
¿Tiene el tiquete, señora SP 14978921?
The People versus Letici, Letici.
La gente contra Leticia y deletreó su nombre.
The last name is hyphenated. That's Martinez, Martinez, hyphen Gambino, Gabino.
Y dijo su nombre está con un guión, Martínez Gambino, y lo deletreó.
On this charge, Ms. Martinez Gambino, you're charged with driving without a valid license. It said that you never acquired a valid driver's license.
Este cargo en su contra dice que usted nunca adquirió una licencia y estaba manejando.
You also have ticket number SP 14978-922.
Y también tiene el tiquete 14978-922.
Sí.
And lastly, ma'am, you have SP 14978-923.
Y,
I'm
el
sorry,
78, y otro que termina en 78923.
And that is a charge of no insurance. All three of these matters are misdemeanors.
Y ese es un cargo de que no tenía seguro de carro y todos estos tres cargos son delito de cargo menor.
The People, best way to explain it, the prosecutor for the city of Detroit has made you an offer.
La mejor manera de explicar de lo que va a suceder es que el abogado fiscal que representa a la ciudad le ha hecho una oferta.
Okay.
And that's the assistant prosecuting attorney, so for the city.
Ese es el abogado fiscal segundo de la ciudad.
She's made an offer that for the first charge we read, driving without a valid license, they would amend that charge to fail to display.
Entonces, la oferta es que el primer cargo de que nunca adquirió la licencia, lo rebajan a que nada más falló en presentar la licencia.
Fail to display is the lowest license charge there is.
Y eso es el cargo más bajo posible que se puede dar por no mostrar o no tener una licencia.
That's a charge that would suggest that you had a driver's license, even if you didn't, just to give you a lesser charge.
Ese cargo pues indica o sugiere que usted tenía alguna vez o tenía una licencia, aunque en realidad no la tenía, pues para rebajarle el cargo.
Okay.
The charge that they are offering you, it just basically says that you had a license, you just didn't have it on you.
La oferta que le han hecho básicamente dice que usted tenía licencia, pero no la tenía consigo ese día.
The other two matters would be dismissed today.
Y los otros dos cargos serán anulados.
Okay.
That means if you pled to one, your fine would be $225. But for the other two charges, which would have been $225 each, those would be dismissed. So that means $450 would be dismissed.
Entonces él dice que por el primer cargo la multa sería o será 225. Por los otros dos cargos, cada cargo tendría una multa de 225, o sea, 450, y eso no ponen esa multa porque anulan ese cargo.
Okay.
Do you want to take advantage of that today, or do you want to set these all for trial?
¿Usted quiere aceptar esta oferta hoy o quiere pedir un juicio en el futuro?
Hoy está bien.
Today is fine.
Very well. Are you pleading? I read you your rights. You understand you have a right to have a trial. You don't have to plead guilty to anything.
Yo pues le he dicho cuál es su derecho. Usted tiene el derecho de pedir un juicio hoy. No tiene que declararse culpable sobre nada hoy.
Okay, está bien.
Yeah, that is fine.
Are you pleading guilty today because you are guilty?
¿Usted se está declarando culpable hoy porque es culpable?
Sí.
Yes.
Madam Clerk, for count 1, the date.
¿Cuál es la fecha del primer cargo? Le preguntó el abogado, el juez a su secretaria.
The offense date is September the 6th, 2023. Location, Michigan and Clark, City of Detroit.
El cargo, la fecha es el 6 de septiembre de 2023 en la ciudad de Detroit, en la calle Clark.
All right. Madam Interpreter, I'm going to go back to the clerk for a second. You said 6/23/2023, Madam Clerk?
Oh, September the 6th, 2023.
Oh, 9/6, 26, 9/23. Okay, September 6th, 23. Miss Martinez Gambino, on the date of September the 6th of 2023, were you driving a motor vehicle in the city of Detroit without a license?
Señora Martínez Gambino, el 6 de septiembre del 2023, ¿estaba usted manejando un carro en la ciudad de Detroit y usted no tenía licencia?
Sí.
Yes.
The court will find you guilty of the reduced charge of fail to display.
La corte va a entrar un cargo de culpable del cargo rebajado que falló en presentar la licencia.
Your fine is going to be $225.
El cargo la multa será $225. 225.
Okay, está bien.
That is
Can
fine.
you pay that right away, or do you need time?
¿Usted puede pagarlo rápidamente o necesita tiempo para pagarlo?
Rápidamente.
I can pay it quickly.
Okay. Do you know how and where to pay?
¿Sabe dónde y cómo pagar?
Sí.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Well, just so I know when you're going to pay, just tell me generally when you're going to pay, ma'am.
Para el juez pide para él saber generalmente cuándo lo va a pagar. ¿Le puede decir cuándo lo va a pagar?
Hoy.
Today?
Oh, not today, ma'am. Anytime after tomorrow. What we just talked about right now is not in the system.
Dice que no lo pague hoy porque lo que le han dicho, todos esos arreglos que han hecho y la cantidad que paga, todavía no está en la computadora, que entonces tienes que esperar a mañana o después.
Okay, está bien.
That's fine.
All right. All right. So anytime after today, so you can pay tomorrow. I heard her say mañana, but so that will be good, ma'am.
Sí, está bien que lo paga mañana. Después de hoy. No puede hacerlo hoy, pero después sí.
Okay, está bien.
Okay, that is
Good.
fine.
Good luck to you. You're free to go.
Buena suerte a usted. Se puede ir. Se puede desconectar.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Enough.
Thank you, Ms. Vainik. Have a good day.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Councilman Offer on Murray.
Okay, hold on 1 second. Let me just find it. All right, go ahead.
I have 10 city counts.
Hold on, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 11 on my docket.
Correct. The 11th count improper plates is state. I only have 10 from the city. And improper
Oh.
plates
No, because they all have an SP. The improper plate is, it says SP 1298-2071. Wait, which is the
So
one
the-
that's city? I mean, which is the one that's state? They all start with SP.
Correct. The issue with defense being on Zoom and not in the courtrooms, you're not looking at the files. The SPs don't mean that they're just city or state. I'm looking at the ROA and the ROA says state.
Okay, so which one? Okay, so we can get a state prosecutor, it's fine. Which one is
Well,
the state?
Improper place is already the amendment.
So it's already charged improper plate?
Correct.
Let's see. Okay, that's the state charge. That's the charge that's ending in 071.
That's what I
That's
showed,
correct.
2071, okay.
All right. And she does not have paperwork where we could dismiss that. Is that correct, madam?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay.
And then the rest are city.
Okay,
All
For the
right.
city,
I'm. What are you going to offer, Ms. Rogers?
it's gonna be 4 pleas with 6 dismissals.
okay.
It'll be 2 failure to display amendments.
Which one? Which ticket numbers?
It is ticket SP 1364489 failure to display.
Hold on one second. 893, okay, I got it. Hold on one second, I just want to highlight it. Hold on one second. So that I can see. Just 1 second. Okay, so we've got 893, that's a failure to display. Got it, all right.
And then SP 12982072 failure to display.
Got it.
SP 12982082 improper plates.
Hold on. SP, give me the
Just
last.
the last four. The last four is 4893, madam. No, which yes,
It's 2082.
2082.
2082, we're doing, the unregistered untitled becomes improper plates, right?
That is correct.
Okay, so unregistered becomes improper plates, okay, and then?
And then the companion ticket of 2081, also improper plates.
The no insurance also becomes, so she's actually pleading to 5.
Four.
Well, what about the state case, the 2071? That's,
Well, let's see, 2081.
hold on one second, that's Roberta. Hold on one second.
No.
Hold on one. Hold on one. Sorry about that. That was Roberta. Okay.
Ms. Rogers,
Yes.
since you reduced the number of charges to improper plate, would you be okay with dismissing one of your improper plates and letting her plead to the state one of improper plate?
Sure, that's fine.
Okay, then we're done with that. So
All right. So wait. So which is
the
the
state,
one we're
the
gonna
state,
do?
the
Yeah.
state charge is ending in 2071.
Yeah. Which is the improper plates? Is it the 82 or the 81 that we're going to dismiss?
Either one of them. The 81 is she's being reduced and that's an improper plate, so we could just get rid of that one.
Get rid of that one. All right. So she's going to plead to 2071, the 4893, 2072, and the 2082. So she'll get 2 counts of improper plates, 1 which is the state case, and 2 counts of failure to display. The rest are
Correct.
dismissed. Okay, very good. Let me talk. Okay, thank
That way
you.
we don't have to talk to the state, so. All right.
Yeah, makes sense. Okay, let me go talk to Zalika Murray. Okay, thanks.
Thank you, Ms. Rogers.
Oh, no problem. Last one's gonna be a little complicated. That's why I was holding it. Okay.
Madam Clerk,
Yes.
so you already pulled those 4 tickets out for the offer and the rest be dismissed? Do you need my assistance?
You know, she wrote it on the offer, I guess.
Well, I mean, I didn't know if Ms. Rogers had written it down for you, so,
Yeah, she wrote it on the offer, I guess.
yeah, thank you.
Then Crystal will be the one ROA mark state.
Okay, that's one of the pleas.
Yep,
Oh,
that's why one of mine is script out.
Yeah, that's why I was saying that.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's easier. That's no problem.
Yeah, I know, but I didn't know if Crystal had an opportunity to hear exactly the switcheroo we did there. So the attorney went away before we did the offer. Did she leave?
she went to go get, I'm assuming. Cause she's in the breakout room with them.
Okay. I'm gonna try to go get the sound on my computer fixed today.
What's wrong with the sound?
I think I screwed up something. I tried to hook up a big printer. I mean, not big printer, but a big screen, big curved screen. And when you plug that up, I couldn't get the sound. And so I talked to somebody that said, oh yeah, you have to change something with the driver. So I was trying to follow the directions that I was reading, and apparently I'm not exactly a computer nerd. So all of a sudden I end up having no sound instead of, if I had just kept working with my computer and not trying to hook up the big screen to it,
Right.
I would have been fine. So I just probably did something with the driver. So I just Googled a local computer guy that says he does stuff in one day. So let's see.
Well, that's good.
So I won't have to be trying to be on the computer and talking on my phone.
Oh, I guess.
Are we ready?
We are
Yes.
ready, and Miss Murray, yes.
All right, Miss Murray, let's see. I do see you on the screen, ma'am. I do need you to raise your right hand and state your full name.
Zalika Murray?
Do you swear or affirm to tell the complete truth?
Yes.
All right, Miss Murray, you may lower your hand. Miss Murray, you have 11 counts, 11. Let's double check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's start from the top and then we'll go through all of them.
Okay.
You have ticket number SP 13. I'm sorry, Miss Murray, I had you raise your right hand. No, we're fine. Ticket number SP 136448892, the people versus Zalika. Zalika Murray, Murray. Miss Murray, on this count, you have a misdemeanor for no insurance. You have ticket number SP 109127111. You have a charge of misdemeanor for driving without a valid license. It says you never had a license. You have SP 123867771, no operator's license. SP 129827071, improper plates. SP 129827072, no license or improper license. SP 129828081, no insurance. SP 129828082, unregistered or untitled motor vehicle. SP 136448893, driving with a revoked license. Well, first, and then you have SP 138503881, drive license never acquired. Again, you have another SP 1406491, driver's license never acquired. And lastly, you have SP 141319491, driving without a license. Ms. Murray, today is the date and time for an arraignment on a bench warrant. That means you had all these tickets, ma'am, and you didn't try to come to court and resolve it, so a warrant was issued for your arrest. So now that warrant is being set aside now because you are present today. And the people have made you an offer. Out of these 11 tickets, they said if you pled to 4, the balance would be dismissed. You understand that now?
Yes.
Now, now you've had a warrant for you. You got all these tickets, and most of them are driving without a driver's license. Did you ever have a driver's license, Ms. Moore?
No.
Okay, so that just tells me you just drive when you want to drive and do what you want to do, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So you got a warrant for your arrest, and I'm setting aside today. But let me tell you that, Ms. Murray, if you come back here again and you're driving and you don't have a driver's license, you will go to jail.
Okay.
You should be going to jail right now, ma'am, because you're just doing what you want to do. You didn't even try to get a driver's license. So, all right, Ms. Murray. Now, you've heard the offer is, ma'am, out of these 11 tickets, they said that you'll plead to 4, and each one of those would be reduced in charge. So the improper plates would be reduced to, no, that would be as charged because that's improper plates. That would be as charged. The other 3 matters would be reduced. The SP 129827072, no license or improper license, that would be amended to fail to display. That's the charge that would suggest that you had a driver's license, you just didn't have it on you. But we know that that's a legal fiction because you never had a driver's license. So you can't display something that you don't have. So that's a reduction.
Okay.
SP 129828081, no insurance. That's being reduced to improper plates.
Okay.
And let's see, and then we have SP 129828082, unregistered motor vehicle. That's being reduced to improper plates. And lastly, ma'am, SP 136448893, driving with a revoked license. Well, you just didn't have a license at all. That's being reduced to fail to display. So you have 2 fail to displays and 2 improper plates. Is that what you understand, ma'am?
Yes.
And then the balance would be dismissed. So just so you have some understanding of the break that the people are giving you, I'm not so sure it's deserved. Let's see, what did you have? Okay. That's $1,575 that's being dismissed, ma'am.
Okay,
Again, I'm not sure you deserve that, ma'am. You just kept driving, doing what you want to do. But the people have made the offer, and I'm gonna follow it. And
thank you, Your Honor.
don't thank me so fast, ma'am, because like I said, and so I told you how much was being dismissed, and what your fine is still going to be, because 4 cases you're pleading to, and that's going to be $900. But the 1,500, so whatever that was, that is being dismissed.
Okay,
Now, you understand, ma'am, that you don't have to plead guilty to anything. You can take all of these matters to trial if you choose to. You understand that? Or if you desire to. It is your choice. You understand that?
yes,
Are you pleading guilty today because you are guilty, Ms. Murray?
yes.
All right. Madam Clerk. Madam Clerk.
Yes.
On
Ticket,
ticket 712071.
you said 072?
2071. That's the last 4. Date.
January 6, 2022, 6:50 PM, Greenfield and McKenzie.
You said January 16.
January the 6th, 2022.
All right. January 1, 6, 22. I don't really need the location. As long as it's in Detroit. All right. On ticket number ending in 072, that's probably the same stop, right?
Yes.
Okay, so that's 1/6/22. Ticket ending in these last 2 will be the same date as well. Not the same date, but they'll be on the same date. On ticket ending in 2081.
2081 was, that's one of the ones being dismissed.
Oh yeah, you're right. 82.
2082 is same date.
Oh, that was January 6th as well.
Yes.
Okay, and last one is ticket 4893.
December the 13th, 2022.
Okay, thank you. All right, Miss Murray, on ticket number SP129827071, your original charge was improper plates, and that is the charge that you will be pleading to. On that date, ma'am, were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes,
The vehicle that you were driving, ma'am, was that your vehicle?
yes, at the time.
Okay, well, that's what I'm asking about, this one date, ma'am. So at the time, that car, did it have improper plates on it, ma'am?
Yes,
Court will find you guilty of that as charged, improper plates. Your fine on that is going to be $225. On, let's see, on that same date when you were stopped, ma'am, did you have a valid driver's license?
no,
The court will find you guilty of the amended and reduced charge of fail to display. On ticket number 2081, SP129828081. That was January the 6th. Is that right? Also, Madam Clerk, that's what you told me?
Yes.
On that date, ma'am, the same date as the last ticket, the vehicle, you've already said it was yours. Was that vehicle insured?
no.
Court will find you guilty of, nope, that's one that's being dismissed. On 8/2, same date, the vehicle you were driving, was it registered?
No,
Court will find you guilty of improper plates. And lastly, ma'am, on ticket number SP136448993. That was the one that was 11/13/22, Madam Clerk?
12/13/22.
12/13. I wrote 11. Okay. On 12/13/2022, ma'am, were you driving a motor vehicle in the city of Detroit without a valid license? It says
Yes.
revoked license. Okay. All right, ma'am. That's going to be 225 as well. So you have 4 tickets, ma'am. They're all fine for each one is $225. And
Okay.
I already told you that that is $900. So when do you think you can pay that, ma'am, or do you need time?
I need a little time.
Okay, what does that mean, ma'am? Tell me how much time you need.
At least 30 days.
I'll give you 60 days.
Okay.
60 days from today's date, ma'am. Ma'am, are you gonna get this done in 60 days?
Yes. Try to do it before then.
Okay. All right, 60 days from today's date, ma'am, is December the 11th. December the 11th. So
Okay.
have it paid on or before that. And I've already told you, ma'am, that I already told you that $1,575 is being dismissed.
Yes.
This is a one-time deal, ma'am. Do not come back in here without driving cars that you own that don't have a registration, cars that you own that they're not properly plated, cars with no insurance on them. Do not do this again, ma'am, because you have a car accident, you're not insured. Somebody gets hurt, who pays for that?
Exactly.
It could be. If someone is hurt, they could sue you for all of that, man. So if somebody has a catastrophic injury, they got a closed head injury, and they got millions of dollars worth of medical bills, you're responsible for that. You understand that?
Yes.
That's why everyone's supposed to be insured. All right. Don't come back without a driver's license, ma'am, for driving like that or no insurance and no plate, because you will go to jail.
Okay, Your Honor.
Don't test me. So, all right. You got to have all that paid, ma'am, by the date we just talked about.
December 11th.
Yep.
All righty.
And the other matters will be dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
All right. What do we have next?
Miss Murray, you're free to leave.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Have a good day. Thank you.
All right, the last one I have left is McClendon.
Yes.
So this one, Melissa, it might be better to talk privately. I think he would be a good candidate for either specialty court, or street court, just based on these charges. It's a lot of trespassing charges. It's a couple disorderlies. It kind of seems like something's going on here, and there's quite a few different incident dates.
Okay. Do you want to talk privately?
Sure, I can get on Zoom.
Okay.
And it'll be just a second.
Madam Clerk?
Yes.
Wow, you sound really excited to talk to me. Just give you an update of our court status going forward. I will not be with you tomorrow. I believe there was a small docket tomorrow, correct?
I think so.
And on Wednesday, I'm flying in. The earliest I could get in, I think the plane lands around 8:30. So might need a little assistance because I'm coming straight from the airport. So shouldn't be too late.
So you saying you're not gonna be on Zoom tomorrow?
No, I will be on Zoom tomorrow, but I'm just saying.
Oh, you said.
No,
I
I
wasn't
said
sure.
no. I said, but my flight out coming back is Wednesday, and the earliest flight gets me in at right around 8:30 a.m. So I'll be coming directly from the airport as soon as the plane lands. I left my car at the airport, so I don't have to wait for a pickup or anything. I'll jump in the car and I'll get there. So hopefully, if we need something, gonna just hold them off for a little bit, or maybe we get somebody to help us if it's something that we can get through fairly quickly.
Like, you know, Wednesday I won't be here, right? Or you
Okay.
forgot.
Okay, well, if we could just pass that information to whoever is, no one could ever replace you, but whoever's going to be standing in your stead.
All righty, I will leave notations for the clerk.
Okay. Oh, okay. I thought you were going to jump all over that no one could ever replace you, but I guess you already know that, huh?
I guess, yeah.
Oh, we're being really humble today.
I'm always always
Okay. Always humble.
I'm never cocky. I'm confident.
No. There's a big difference between being cocky and not being humble. Those are the two extremes. You could just be you could be confident and not be cocky.
Well, yeah, if you're confident, then you're still a humble person.
That's what I'm saying. You could be humble and know you're good.
Yeah.
So that's all I'm saying. Humble, I mean, good doesn't mean cocky. That's all I'm saying. So Cynthia, have you changed your mind like 10 times on what you're going to eat when we have our dinner?
Of course.
You will change it until the day we're there.
Until the day we're there. And then might change it a couple of times.
And then it'll change then. Up until you finally order. That'll be it.
Yes.
I don't know. I might be in that same situation. This last one, we're probably going to have to give him a pretrial date so he can kind of decide if he wants to go into a specialty program. Because we probably going to have to just get a date to have them talk to him and see if they want him also. Hey, Crystal? No,
Yes.
clerk? While we're waiting,
Yes.
so what if you, I know we're waiting, I know you're doing other things, but if you could send me the docket for tomorrow, I'll have that. I won't need it for Wednesday, so since I plan to be there.
Okay.
I guess I can have you send it just in case something did happen, like a sudden emergency or something that, or flight cancellations or something. I plan to be there though, not here.
All right.
Excuse me.
You said, would you?
No, I said, excuse me. I was.
Is Cindy out? Oh, no, not yet.
Attorney Vanny.
Yes. How are
So
you?
what are we gonna do on,
She's
I
waiting
thought
on-
that Sydney was going to get into a breakout room and talk to me, so I was waiting for her to do that.
oh, okay. I thought that had probably happened already. I looked
No,
away.
I don't
so
know
I
what
just
she was-
assumed you guys were in it.
She had, she said she was going to hop on Zoom. I have no idea
Yeah.
what happened to her.
I'm about to text her now.
Yeah, she said she was going to hop on Zoom, talk to me in Zoom,
Yeah.
and so.
No,
No,
I never in the breakout room, so I assumed that you guys had did it when I looked up and I saw you out there. So
yeah, no, I'm just waiting for her.
okay.
You texted her?
Yes, I just texted her.
Okay, all right, thank you. Judge, where are you right now?
I am in